Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use project views in Asana. This feature lets you visualize your work in different formats, whether you prefer lists, boards, timelines, or calendars, making it easier to manage projects the way that works best for you. First, navigate to your project in Asana Web. Once you're there, look at the top of your screen where you'll see a row of view tabs. These tabs might display options like list and a plus symbol, which is where we'll be working to access different views. Click on the plus button next to your current view tabs. This opens up a menu showing all the available view options for your project. From this menu, select your preferred view based on how you want to organize and visualize your tasks. You can choose List to see tasks displayed in rows with all their details laid out clearly. If you prefer a more visual approach, select Board to see tasks as cards arranged in columns. The Timeline option gives you a Gantt-style schedule perfect for tracking project dependencies and deadlines, or choose Calendar to view tasks organized by their due dates, which is great for time-based planning. Once you've selected a view, you can start organizing your tasks. In List or Board view, create sections by clicking Add Section at the bottom or in the menu. Sections help you categorize tasks into logical groups, making your project easier to navigate. To create new tasks, simply click Add Task at the bottom of your task list or board column. This lets you quickly populate your project with action items. Asana makes reorganizing your work simple with drag and drop functionality. You can move tasks between sections or reorder them by clicking and dragging them to their new position. If you're working in timeline view, you can adjust start and due dates visually by dragging taskbars horizontally along the timeline. This gives you a clear picture of how changing one deadline might affect your overall schedule. To refine what you're seeing, use the filter icon at the top right to filter tasks by assignee, due date, status, or custom fields. This helps you focus on specific aspects of your project without getting overwhelmed by all the information at once. Finally, if you want to add more views or customize your tabs, click the plus icon next to the saved views on the top bar. From here, you can set up new views with custom filters and layouts tailored to different team members or project phases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.